Look at this. This is GBP AUD. This is the morning sweep of liquidity that we saw above the Asian range. So this is our Asian range mapping with our stupid indicator there. That is very useful actually, man. And look at that. Look at that. Crazy, man. Shit is crazy, man. And if we drop it to the 3 minute, I think we will find an entry point somewhere around here. Let's see, 1 minute maybe. Directly here. Boom, enter here. Then shit. So on the 15 minutes, it gives a much more stable understanding of it. So if we see the previous days, the market was taken here, the market was taken here. What happened afterwards? The market went above the actual Asian range here, and this is Monday. In here we have Tuesday, Asian range being taken, liquidity sweep. After liquidity is being taken, the Asian range completely dropped to the lower of the range. And what do we have today? Guess what we have today? Liquidity sweep above the range, and after the liquidity is swept above the range, it's targeting the lower of the range. And in this case, I'll tell you right now that it's targeting this fucking FEG. And it's just sick to see this shit. Look at this. I mean, are you seeing the correlation of our strategy on a daily basis for the last 3 days? It's crazy, man. It's fucking crazy. This is the 15-minute chart. So let's put it like a really bad entry. Okay, I saw it here. I'm gonna enter here and shit. I'm gonna target the top of the range. How much R will we get? We got 6R of this. And the other day, okay, we enter the top of the range. Let's scope that. We enter it here, for example, and we target there and we put it on the top of the range. How much do we have? 6R. And today, how much do we have? Okay, we saw it here and shit like that and blah, blah. There we go. We entered only there. 4R. 4 fucking R. So in this whole week, in these 3 trading days, we're using our strategy, simple fucking confluence, in a 15-minute chart, which is not tight stop losses and shit. It's really, no stress. We got 6.6, 6.8, so 12, 13, with 4, 17R, almost 20% done in 3 days. Yeah, of course. If you apply dynamic risk management, let's calculate. So we would do 6,600 on the first trade of the week, Monday, Tuesday. Oh shit, this is Tuesday. Can we go to Monday? Do we see Monday? No. So, okay, we click on this shit, boxes, 4. So we see, I think, the next one, I think. 1, 2, 3. I don't see the other one. I don't see the other one. Let's put it more. 10. I don't see the other one. Something to improve on the algo, but like, yeah, well, we got the last 3 days. Some weird shit happening here. Show statistic historicals. Take the historicals it shows. It does the 10 days, but it doesn't show me the Monday. No issue. Monday is here. So what we do it manually, old style. Monday. So Sunday 8 o'clock. From Sunday 8 o'clock to Monday 1 a.m. This is the high, and this is the low. The high was taken here, and it completely collapsed below the low. That's amazing. So let me put the range in a square box so we can see. Yeah, it's good. This would be very time consuming. It will take the whole time. But if you enter here on this FVG right here, look at the FVG. I can see it on the M15 from here. And we do that and we target the lower of the range here, it's a 4 hour, man. And we would end it there. Right on the other day morning, you see how they relate. So this is why Monday shouldn't be traded, man. I don't think because of this. Monday gives you the bearing for the week, you know. But you can still trade it, but like it's very spaced and shit. One session progresses to the other. Fuck. So this is why. But we would still be, if we use our strategy correctly on the M15 chart, dude, no issues. The strategy would be valid. And then Tuesday you would start here, and then you would do this trade, another valid. So let's quantify first how much this would give on a weekly basis with the normal 1 hour. So in here we have the first trade 4.5, the second trade here 6.6, and the third trade 6.88 plus this today's trade. There's no losers. The strategy is impeccable. Look at this shit. Where do you see the loser, man? Fuck, look at this. This is today. We took the Asian high. We entered here. What as fuck? How can it be? I mean, look, it's crazy. I mean, we might not have reached yet on it, but like the day is not over. We might lose this position too. Fuck it. But the previous day completely went all the way across all the other. We delete this here so there's no confusion. There, you see? I mean, fuck. I mean, it's pretty decent. I think it's pretty decent. So this would mean that with the normal 1 hour, one hour risk, so 1% risk in this case, um, doing these hours from Monday until now, which is 4 trading days, we would do 22% if applied correctly, right? That's 22%. It's quite a lot. It's quite a lot. This is the challenge, the phase one and phase two on FTMO. Now let's calculate this with advanced risk management. So 4,500 divided by 2 is equal to this multiplied by 6.6R is equal to 14,850. And then we have 14,850 divided by 2 multiplied by 6.88 is equal to 51,084. This is day 3, and day 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 76,626. The total, so this is actually, I'm doing this in the wrong fucking place. This needs to come out of here to here. Let's put commissions 150 bucks on each because we can, results, and this is the advanced risk management for it. So when, right, this letter is shit. All right, how much did we do in 4 days trading? 146,460, 147% in 4 days using our strategy, using M15, and that's it. And you trade once per fucking day. That's it. That's it. That's it. What do you need more? What do you need more? Yeah, like these are recorded, so this is like crazy, man. And commissions, okay. Even if we have commissions, we have 600 bucks on commissions with all of these. Let's put 2,500 on commissions. we got 10,000 bucks on commissions on the 4 days. We got one net. We have 137,000. Now, yeah, I don't know if it makes sense. I'll put here advanced risk management, and yeah, we should call this something appropriate. Wolf pack advanced risk management. There we go. That's how the wolf pack does it, man. Boom, 4 days, there's 137,000 with the initial risk of 4.50%. There you go. There you go. Ah, this is the previous 3 millions we did. Look at that shit. We started with a 3R, you know, and we did 0.25% of risk, which was 3% of 0.25 of 3%. So it's 750 bucks. And from the 750, we did 3 million. There you go. Okay. Wolf pack for the mass. There you go. You want to trade there? That's how you trade. More. What do we have more? And that's pretty much it, right? So this kind of gives you just a tiny little vibe of what we could have achieved just with just GBP AUD on this week. And it's all sustained. Look at this. What we do has the model is taken, we enter on the model, and it's just like ridiculous. It's really, really cool to see. But this is why I like the Asian market, man. Oh, just look at this shit. Or the Australian market, man. It's like so cool, man. Look at this shit. Straightforward, man. We take the top here, man. Bang, there we go. Like this shit. It's done for today. But like this with news, it's very like, yeah, I entered the news. The news didn't do what I wanted. There's massive circus manipulation bullshit that you want. No, fuck that. News fan, fuck. What the fuck is that? So yeah, you see, in here, like we were saying, there's a market structure shift on the 15 minutes. It's clear, I think. And then there's an FEG that is created here. On the 1 minute, probably you'll see better. And this FEG here, oh, it's kind of an FEG. Probably if we drop to lower time frame, this is better. But it's a tiny spike there now. Actually, the best one would be this one here, but it is what it is, right? So actually, this would be the massive entry point. You see? But if we were to enter there, we don't have the M15 confirmation of a market structure shift. And this is the fucking problem. When is the confirmation appearing? Okay, the confirmation appear. This is the M15. The confirmation that this is the Asia high. Let's put it like a horizontal line. We're like, dang, this is the Asian high. Asian high was taken. We start seeing it coming down. And then what happens? Then we have a market structure here that broke. Well, this would be the actual market structure shift here, man. Fuck, right here. Okay, this is the candle of the market structure shift. Does it have an FVG? It is. It doesn't have an FVG? It does. So there is an order block or an FVG associated with this shift. So if it was bearish and then started to go up, the order block is this motherfucker here. And when you have an associated market structure shift on the M15, and then you have an order block, which is this guy here, we drop it to the 5 or 3 minutes. Let's see what we see. Okay. At this point in time, we were scoping our entrance, right? So we were like, okay, how the fuck are we going to get into this shit? We need to know where is the displacement coming in so we can enter. So then we wait for the next displacement entry, which is this motherfucker. And guess what? Fuck, precision is insane. And then what we do, we order, limit, target the low of the Asian range, which is this motherfucker, and we would have a 5.98 R. That's it. But look at where the confirmation appears. This is the M15 market structure shift. This is really important because without this, you don't have a confirmation. And if you don't want to enter without a confirmation, fuck that, man. You know, if you were to extend this to, let's see if we have another degree of confirmation on that range, maybe on the M1 minute. Look at that. Look at this. What's happening here? Well, you can squeeze it much more tighter actually if we drop to the 1 minute. But I mean, preferentially, you take the FEG, right? But you can squeeze it on the first FEG, which means that then you're gonna squeeze the actual fucking thing here, and it's an 18R. But it's dude, give it space, give it space. This is fucking 5R a day keeps the doctor away. Now, this is the entry point of the market structure shift on the M15 minute, right? Change structure. So again, 15 minutes. Let's analyze this again. So there's no doubts about this shit. This is really fucking important. M15 candle, M15 candle, market. This is so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is not a higher high. This is already a lower high, and then there is a lower low. And the lower low broke structure on the previous higher low. This is a market structure shift. From here, we drop to the 3 minute and start looking for an FEG to enter from. Fair value gaps being formed on this. We see it, we map it, limit order, we enter it, targeting the lower of the range. That's it. That's fucking it. Next Tuesday, you do it yourself, but I want to see your performance, man. You stream it live, man. Come on. That's the shit. Yeah, yeah, exactly, exactly. Did, right? We did. We can see the same here. For example, this is a different pair. I just changed to US dollar JPY. Just for curiosity, let's see if we can do the same here. So we dropped to the M15. We saw that the Asian high was taken. Wow, the Asian high was taken. Fucking cool. So we mapped the Asian high directly, directly, even on the M15. Fuck, look at that. Can we be more precise? Yeah, drop to the M3. Oops. Yeah, well, it's exactly what we see on the M15, just in the fractal way. Look at that. We got the FPG from the M15 right there. Shit doesn't lie. M1, let's go even more granular approach to this shit. Look at that. What we have, the machine learning telling, and enter now, enter now. This fucking shit picks up the FPG. Shit. These are the fucking things. I would see this on the M15. I would go straight full fucking force on this shit. Like that. I would enter it directly here, like this. I would put an order, pending order, stop loss there. Zoom in, you mean, like out. Yes, of course. M15 chart, pending order here. This this would trigger the pending order. This candle right here, right there. I would enter directly in the 15. Yes, 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 yes. I would do exactly this, and then I will target this motherfucker here, and I will have a 7 hour. which would still be running, man. And at this point in time, we would be at 4.5 on right now. Yeah, it's okay. It's this entry point here. It's every pullback it gives you an indicator. So this is the missing link, the key to the strategy. It's really the key to the strategy that will confirm your entry. Do not enter if you do not see a structure being broken on the entity. And we just fucked up. We just completely fucked up. And you didn't say anything, man. Why? Look, this is a candle of the M15. This is another candle of the M15. Another candle of the M15. Another candle. Did I enter correctly? Let's think. Did everything that I said that I would do in order to validate the market structure? This would be impulsive reaction by seeing a similar pattern that we're used to. We would get fucked. We could get fucked. We need to map a market structure fucking 15 minutes, which gives us this candle here. This fucking candle right here. Does this candle deliver us a fair value gap on the 3 minutes? Let's see. Look at that fucking massive fucking FPG. It does. It does deliver. So I was seeing if you were fucking paying attention. Motherfuckers are never fucking paying attention to check shit. Fuck, man. Massive. Motherfuckers. Shit. The fuck, man. So, no one said, no one says nothing. It's unbelievable, this is. So in this case, I would put it 2 pips above the top, the FEG. So we're at 73, 83, 1 pip, 93, 2 pips. There. Wait for this shit to be taken. The entry to the limit order to fill. It filled right there. Fuck, right on the spot. And that's it. I would remove the liquidity lower like this, and it will be a 8.25 R. Did we lose any R from the previous? No. Did we won everything? Yes. We won confidence that the market structure broke into a bearish fucking momentum. And this you don't have here. We didn't do because I was trying to be impulsive and stupid. This is the key for trading the strategy. You do not enter on one that just shows that there was a whatever, because then this shit happens. Then this shit happens. You see, yes, exactly. And this still can happen. You see, liquidity was taken again and coming back down and so forth. So, but if we were to enter here, again, you know where to enter here? You need liquidity was Asian market there. Where is market structure shift here? M15 there. Is there a candle above this shit? Let's see. Oh, it's fuck. It's M3. Okay, my bad, my bad, my bad. I don't know where it is. Okay, there. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, it's the same. You see, it's kind of the same. So there, you see, right? Yeah. Drop to 3. This is the market being broken. Do we have an FEG? We do have a fucking FEG. Or no, fuck. This is the actual one that we were seeing. There's two. There's two. But there's two very, very precise ones at a very specific point in time that will give us an FEG actually too. But let's scope on this one first. So the market broke this candle recently, and this candle, it doesn't give us much. It is. Fuck, I don't see it, man. Let me put this here. Alright, there, fuck. Damn forsaken thing. So, the candle that broke is this one? Oh fuck, there's a massive FPG here indeed. Shit. But it's gonna fuck us in the face, you see? So, this is the FPG that I would enter. I would put my stop loss here. Because this is what, you know, it seems to be the case. Uh, market structure, candle of the market structure, displacement candle. There is an FEG. We map the FEG. We put the stop loss on the top of the fucking candle that created the FEG, and then we scope uh, a 1 to 3 at least. What? It's spiking all over the place. So this is US dollar, Canadian dollar, two greater things of nature. Nature. You can also put it here, target tops, and then that will actually work well until here, because then it's going to spike on your face. And this is why it's important to break even at 2R. But this would be a 12R, and you would do around half. So let's see what the deviation. No, I break even at 2 here. If I break even here, when this trade comes back to us here, I think I would be pounced out. Let me see. I need to put it. No, it doesn't touch it. It's amazing. So it comes down to 9R and then starts a market structure shift to the top. And this here signals for me that it changes. This is an exact unicorn model confirmation that or a model 22, and it starts going up. And I would exit this shit here. But I mean, it's better 9R than nowhere. Fuck that, right? We can also go and pull the stop loss slowly, like we do with the stop loss. Break, pull back, pull back, pull back, and in here, boom, it pulls back. What do we get? 7R. It's also not bad. I think it's the best way, to be honest. Let's go to another one and do it again. Now with this shit. Now with a bullish scenario. Yeah, fucking hell. Yeah, yeah. 15-minute markets, 15-minute market structure. After from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Well, we can actually wait until 5, but I wouldn't trade anything after 5. I'm sorry. What? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, yes. I accompany the market after the position is open on the low level time frame, low time frame. I drop it to M3 or M1, and then I try to stop loss. Okay, pull back, 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 pull back. Fuck! Don't leave nothing on the tail for the motherfucker. Pull back, and in here, I think it will come back, and boom, there we go. Got fucked. Okay, it's really okay. And what this will just like 6R. Like it's okay. 6R per day. And if you use our risk management strategy, it's really okay if you do 6R in a day. It's quite a bit. So let's do it again. In this time, we're in New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, just because we are freaks. So we drop to the market freaks. Oh, wait, we're on the 15-minute time frame, and we map from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. In between this time, there should be a fucking uh, breakout of the Asian range. We have a breakout. from 3 a.m. until now, was there any market structure shift on M15? No. So if we see the candle, we see this candle, this is lower, this is lower, 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 and then in here, wait a bit, something happened. There was a market structure from the previous low to this one, and it's signaling me something. So let's put it like this. Uh, from here to here, right? You see it, right? Drop to the 3 minute. Let's observe this with more accuracy. Acuity. So this is what kind of happened. This should be happening. I mean, what the fuck, right? Why would this happen? Well, normally the range links to an FEG, as you can see it before and time fucking again. It's always the same fucking thing. So what happens now? We created a limit on the lower range on the Asian market. We waited for an M15 breakup structure, which we found, which the M15, fucking, where is it? I don't see it. Yes, this is the M15 right now. This is the M15. This is the breakup structure. If you really want to put it mildly, okay, no issue. Olha, this is a breakup structure. It has to be a displacement candle, a big fucking candle that takes several of them away. This is the fucking key factor that we were not looking properly to. And I'll change this market structure shift candle to a different color so we can see it better. This. Then we dropped 3 minutes. And I don't know where. Okay. There we go. All right. There we go. So on the 3 minutes, we have the breakup structure followed by a massive impulsive candle is actually a propulsion candle here. And there is no way of stopping the shit. It goes and goes and goes, and we don't have an entry if we were to enter on a pending order here, which is exactly what the doctor prescribed. If the price doesn't come down, we drop it to the 1 minute. What do we see? Because of the rapid propulsion of these candles, there's sometimes a possibility that the FEG is not filled. And you need to look at the last FEG. The last FEG is this motherfucker from this propulsion range that will give you a fucking entrance. Yeah, exactly. So what we have? We have the breakout of the Asian range. We have a market structure shift on the M15. We have a displacement candle after the breakup structure, tied to the breakup structure, which is really important. Which I mean, it's we can see it on the 3 minutes very well. It's a one fucking candle gone approach. And what do? We have another secondary candle and a third candle. Normally there's 3 or 4 candles involved. Normally three. The last candle will be your entry point. The market almost never comes down to this fucking. Uh, Depends on the volatility, man. Depends on the volatility, and then we can also range profile, and it doesn't give us much information to be honest. Look at this shit. We use the range profile. It's the StochAholic, man, and now I put the RSI so we can really confirm price action. Look at this shit. Fuck this. Fuck God, man. What the fuck do you need that shit for? Probably not. That's normal too for me. So like maybe like here, I don't see anything. Probably, man. I don't want to know, man. Fuck that. Profiles and shit. Look at the fucking market structure. So it gives you pending order, you enter the pending order, and then you're in a pending order. So divide this shit into, with an FEG, divide into, it's very simple. In the configuration of the block, you have the middle line. Enable the middle line of the rectangle. You have 50% of the FEG directly there. And then the stop loss, which is what you were referring to, goes 2 pips below the 50% range. So 27, 37, 1 pip, and you can go here. So it's not even 2 pips. Yeah. Or the middle, yeah. In this case, it's preferable to, if it's 2 pips, if it's a big FEG, 2 pips or not. If it passes 2 pips, use the previous breakout of the line. That's really important. And then you have this fucking thing that is a complete fucking beast of a trade. And there you go. You have, I think, let me just analyze it with this cross here, like here. You have a 1 to 5 with the possible continuation to space. Because if you continue going with a stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, and stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, and maybe here you get fucked, maybe not, but stop. Let's put it here. You get fucked here. You put it here. I don't know how you get fucked here. The fucking stop loss is here. This is the low. Then you move it here. Then you move it here. Right? Then you move it. Then you move it here because you think that it's not gonna hit you, and then it's gonna hit you. All right. So let's see. Fuck, man, we got fucked there, man. That's okay. Let's see how much we did. Not bad. So we did the 9R. There, right? Uh, there's no subjective shit here. Do we have an FPG break of structure? Do we have an FPG? Do we have an entry point? Do we have a limit order? Was the Asian region taken? Do we? I mean, you know what I mean? Doesn't go in a day, man. It just takes some time to digest. This is the critical part, man. Yeah, yeah. But God teach this. No one knows this shit. Don't tell anyone. Everyone looking at this shit. Don't tell anyone. So, like, everyone online and shit. Yeah, of course. So let's see. In here, I don't look at this. It's so bizarre, man. I don't. This is cool because it just takes a bit of this tiny little bit of the engine range. Look at that motherfucker, man. Look at the precision of this shit. It's great. And then, how can it be? No, no, it's not. Continue doing your mouth. Fuck off. Uh, RSI and use your stochaholic. It's okay. Fuck off. The Bollinger Balls, the Bollinger Balls. Yeah, look, so Bollinger Balls. We have we have it being taken here, really far away already, right? So this is the actual M15 Asian range break. After here, do we have the market structure shift? Yeah, directly there is your market structure shift. Drop to 3. For this, can you look at M3? Do you have doubts? Look at that. No? Can't you see this fucking lower hiving fucking taking all the shit? Fuck, man. All right. So, what do we? What is it there? Does the previous candle has displacement? Is a displacement candle engulfs the previous and it's a massive break of structure of the previous? Yes. Let's do it mildly. Let's say this is the engine range, right? This is the Asian range. But we want to enter here, right? And these are 15-minute candles. We can also wait for this candle to appear. Takes the whole range to shit. We're late for the party, fashionably late, but it doesn't mean that we're fine. We take an FVG. No, we take an FVG. Let's do it first with this method. Break out, FVG here, 2 pips below the shit, so 84, 94, 1 pip, 1 pip. Okay, 1 pip below. Yeah, yeah. Do you still have problems regarding the range? It's okay. It's a 1 to 4, and you safely got got in. Now, how would I go in? Texas style, right? Pros, cowboy fucking ranch. Let's see my entry. My entry would be probably in the M3, and on the M3, uh, wait for the displacement to kick in. This will be very fast. I don't see any entry here, and this will be the entry here. FUG afterwards. Boom, 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 boom. Bye. Catch me later. Fashionably late, motherfuckers. There. Look at that. Look at that, man. I mean, right? Uh, I don't know, but good luck with this shit. So below the candle, and there we go. Oh yeah, the exact zigzag lines. And if you're a tight stop loss like cowboy style, this would be a 26R until now. Yeah, let's. Oh, we would be complete. I would be completely knocked out of this shit directly. Like let's put it factually. So the stop loss would move. Oh fuck. Okay, first let's create. Yeah, it is. Hmm. So let me get it so it's like this. Let's remove the standard diversion. So and now we pick up the actual stop loss. So my break even is at 2R, which is here. Okay, here. In here, I'm already at 2R. Continues going up, and I'm like, ah, America, right? And what happens? I am directly there because I'm okay. It's gonna go up, gonna go right. Goes here, starts pulling, and my stop loss is here. Because for this, can't you see, man? Look, goes up, comes down the wick, and I saw a wick. So fuck, stop loss behind the fucking pullback. What I think, pullback behind the fucking pullback. This gives us how many R? 4.5 R. There you go. Yeah. Could it could it have been better? Yeah, we could have reached. Let's see. What we could have done is a lot. 8 R. If we exit at 8 R. So I mean, yeah. Look, when it's at 8 R, just close the position. Just fucking close the position. Close it. It's 8 hours. Crazy. What the fuck are you doing? Massive beast. Close the push. You will feel better. Have a coffee, digest that you did 8 hours, and suck it in. That's it. You're free. There's no risk involved anymore. It's perfect. So this would be positive too. Let's check another pair. This guy. Oh man, this looks like shit. Look at this structure. Fuck. This agonizing go up. Fuck this. Euro GPY. Another fucking bullshit pair. Oh. So let's see what we have here. This one completely secure, but do we have a market structure shift on the M15? Yeah, look at that. Do, true, but do we have a market structure shift from 2 to 3 a.m.? From 1 to 3 a.m.? No, this is 3 a.m. The price didn't come back, didn't break any structure, man. That we say that is supportive of a bullish move. Then it reached here and even dropped further. So fuck? Why the fuck would we enter? No, there is no market structure shift. Only at 4:30 a.m. here. Broke structure here. Actually here. Okay, broke structure here. 3:30 a.m. But do you want to enter here? Fuck that. No. Look at this shit. Yes, it's falling catatonic style. So yeah. So we have another example here. I don't know what this is. Euro US dollar. Oh, we know this motherfucker. Look at what we should have done and what we didn't do. We have an Asian range. Hmm? It's fucking complete massive shithole trend. But it's still a trend. But I would still consider it to be entered if I have a valid setup. I have an Asian lower range being taken. I have a market structure shift right here. Man, I have a mark. All right, let me show you. Let's show you. So, one second. This is a non-trending range. It's a consolidation range. This is what we want. This is a trending range. So do you see the difference? Does it explain your question? It comes from above, down and up and down a range. This is a trend. This is a trend. This is range, 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 range. This is ranged. Yes, trend. Okay, let's nullify this. We don't consider this. Do you consider this as a trend market too? All right, let's go for another one. And this one, it's trend. All right, and this one, but do you think so? All right. All right. So do we have, I don't know, man. I look at this shit, I see candles up and down and shit. So we have a break on the top, goes up and down. Yeah, dude. So where do we have a market structure shift? This candle here, the fucker here, right there. This low is taken. Boom. Completely fucking annihilated. And then what happens? We drop to entry and we lose the candle. Yeah. But look at this. This is important because we don't have a fill here. I would enter. Oh, this is the M3. Yeah. So this is very important. You see, even on an M3, I don't see an entry span. We can try, but let's give it a look. Do we have an FVG on the displacement candle? Fuck, we do. Here, there's the displacement candle on the M3 list. But then the price goes up. Um, we would do, yeah, true. Okay. Let's do this properly. This is the actual fucking range. Yeah, right. So then we put it here, lock in here, and we would be exit on this guy. This is tricky. This is tricky. to admit. It is, I mean, fuck, can't you see? I mean, I would not scope. I mean, okay, this is the displacement candle. This should have, this should have an FVG for us. Fuck, where is the FVG? I don't see the fucking FVG. I see the FVG above. Here, it's the fucking FVG. Did the price reach the FVG? No, 2 pips. Not even two, fuck 2 pips. No, it's not. It's It's not 2 pips. It's like a quarter of a pip or a fifth or a tenth of a pip. Or fuck, I don't know. Look at that. It's just like a minuscule fucking shit. Like yeah, it's a pipette shit. And look. It's fuck, motherfuckers. There, there's the entry problem point. You know, yeah. To eliminate this, and then put the fucking PG a bit lower. To a pip below, and a fucking pip. It's okay. Is it too much a pip for you? Like, let's see, a pip. A pip is this shit. A pip, a pip. There, fucking pip. A pip. There we go. A fucking pip. A pip is there. Here on the fucking candle. Wait a sec. Pip goes there. This comes down. There. Do we have an entry point? Yeah, man, we would enter directly fucking here. Directly here. Uh, Tumble. We're gonna go completely in there. We would put it here. Then we would put this shit above this candle. We would eliminate this bullshit of a fucking thing. And would it be the one that would make more sense? Because it's the one that is directly linked to the actual displacement target, I think. No? I don't know, man. This doesn't sound right in any way. It is fucking fucked, man. It's distance. Oh no! It's on the 3 minute, man. It's on the 3 minute, dude. It's on the 3 minute. Look at that. The displacement candle. Here, let me put it here like otherwise. Displacement candle. Market structure shift. Displacement candle. The candle above has an effigy. Not it, but above has a massive effigy. We map the effigy on the M3. We're entering on the M3. Fuck it. That's it. Oh, this no. Oh, really? We went there 4 times. This is one, two, three, and 4 times. No. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. What are the possibilities of entry on this shit? Fucking hell. I don't understand. What are you saying? Man, dude, no. Tell me. Yeah. Mhm. No. It's straight, simple, straightforward shit, right? I mean, it's like we have here. I mean, we can then see if there's a higher time frame point of interest on the actual top here. And for that, we put it on the 11:15, and today's fucking candle is here. Do we have? Yes, we do. Oh, what the fuck are you referring to, man? I don't understand shit anymore. All right, so M15, higher time frame POI above the actual Asian range. Does it exist? There it is. This is this. You see? Of course there is, man. It's the Easter eggs, right? So this is the M15 minutes fair value gap that we found above new Asian range. Today's the Asian range is here. Let me take the other ranges out. Bang, bang. we got the Asian range here. The Asian range above the Asian range, as you see here, the Asian range above, there's a higher time frame POI. This is a higher time frame point of interest. It's the M15 fair value gap. We are waiting for the Asian range to reach this fucking point of interest, like here, to then give us exactly like you see here, man. Like I even put like I take a picture of this shit. Like, oh fuck. So is this disgusting fucking traits that I do. The morning fucking Christ, man, it's disgusting. So let me put here like this. There you go. So this fucking here is a break of structure on M15. Delivers displacement, delivers the FVG, and then we enter on the FVG. It's exactly like this. This is the M15 break of structure. FVG is created. After all of this shit is said and done. This is it. It's the same as it's on the map, on the chart. It's the same. It's the fucking point of interest that we're seeing. Or let me put it again. It's this point of frame here. Market goes there after to take liquidity and then reverses, taking down, and then continues completely opposite back up after London, because London is manipulation. It's the juices swing, and that's it. So that's the scenario, man. So now it's 10 a.m. New York time. It's very nice. So we would do on this one a 7 hour. We continue with the stop loss. And, okay, and here, and here we will get fucked. Maybe a 4 hour, 4.5, 5 hour. See? Maybe in the few minutes we wouldn't be so compulsive. We would put it here. Yeah, 3.5 hour, man. It's the average 3.5, 20 hour. Our trade, our time is 2.5, 20 hours. It's not the normal shit. But then you see the scalper, I was doing some fucking 20 hours. Yeah, man, don't understand for now. Fuck. What the fuck? I mean, so that, yeah, I mean, it's so clean, man. Fuck. I mean, if you see it like this, I mean, how can you not see it? Right? It's very good, man. I think. I don't know. Euro Swiss franc. Did we do the Euro Swiss franc? I don't think we did. Let's give it a try. Even if this is really bad, or if we lose a trade, we can lose a trade too, huh? So we have market structure shift one above the higher time frame PY. We have a higher time frame PY two on the Euro Swiss franc. Look at that. We do. So higher time frame PY completely blown to shit at this point in time. Completely, achieved. Then what do we have? We have a break of structure, an amazing break of structure right here. Look at what the break of structure gives us man. On the M15, a massive fucking FVG. Let's drop it 2-3. Sick. Look at that. So now comes the decision. We use the above or we use the below. Since this one below is already fucking still open, I would use the below. Like this. And we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possibilities to enter. So, pending order, same shit, all over again. Above the freaking thing. Pending order above the thing. Yes, pending order above the thing. Put the fucking market there, you go. Fucking slice it down. Standard deviation tool. Where's the fucking stop loss? I don't see it anymore. Oh, there it is. Standard deviation to the entry point. We should have 6 and something R. So now let's map uh, the stop losses. Let's drop this to 3 minutes and let's simulate that we were descending according to the pullbacks and exactly doing the same as the prices. They come down. Wow, man, it's cool, man, it's cool, man. Oh, fuck, yeah. And let's see here. And what we will have At this point in time, I will only consider this at 2R here to break even and go from there onwards. So at this point, I think we would be on the 2R, maybe 1.5 because it's going to pull back. Yeah, probably. If I would see here, yeah, it's 2R is better than no R. And it's a valid entry still. We did everything according to the plan. The main thing is, did we do everything according to the plan? Yes. Did we check all the boxes? Yes, we did. Do we need something more? Not then. So there we go. Let's do the last one, and then we're gonna see what's happening on the Dixie. Yeah? Because it passed some times. I think New York already opened their eyes. Oh, but it's a ranging market. It's a trend. Fuck it. Oh, top mistake. Top was taken. We have the market structure. And fuck, look, the market structure shift right on the FEG linked to the Asian range top. It must be random. Let's put it out. Yeah, yeah, I don't know how many times I saw this shit today. It's even disgusting, man. I swear, man. Fuck. Crazy. FEG. There we go. FEG mapped. We have an entry point there. We have a tiny little fucking mini motherfucking entry point there. And what do we do? Pending order. We put the pending order on the previous block because this is what generates the actual thing. We lock it with a pip above the fucking stop 40, 41, 51. There you go. Fair, fair, fair. Ah, wow. Oh my God, you did 50 fucking R. I don't know how. How do you do 50 R? There, it's well, not 50 R, it's 11 R. And I did completely the 50 R actually. So if we put it like this is 8R at this point in time. And then we need to move the stop loss. So comes down, oh, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. And then I'm taking at 5R. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Maybe to this one here. Yeah, of course. I'll do it slower then. So this is here. Pull back to this level. Pull back to this level. What? Here. I wouldn't pull, man, no. This, for me, a breakout. This is a breakout. Then there's a pullback to the breakout. I would put it. And then massive undergoing overwhelmingness, amazingness. There we go. Or maybe here, because it's, then I put it, hey, man, it's going to go even further. And then it starts fucking with me at this point in time, at around 6, 5.5 hour, and it reaches to the 5 hour. And I think there it will take me down. If I'm on the possibility of putting it a bit up, and then, oh, it went down, even here takes me 5 hour. So I reckon that this one would be a 5 hour. Beautiful entry, perfect fucking entry. Procedure wise, it's amazing procedure, and it just did what we wanted to do. It's, break even. Break even is here, and break even moves the stop loss here, doesn't do anything more. I move then the stop loss to here, to here, to here, to here, to here, and then in here I'm taking out at 5. Exactly, of course. This is all hindsight. It's because yeah, we're trying to deal with the random marks. Man, move, bounce, trail, 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 pull back, trail, dude, safeguard your shit. Pull back, trail, pull back, trail, pull back, trail. In these kind of trades, in this strategy, you will not have a problem taking a 1 to 2 break even. Man, dude, it's ridiculous. And if you by any chance are still not break even, you're at this point in time right now at 10R. You know, crazy is that. Exactly. Yeah, yeah, exactly. So that's really good. That's pretty good. All right, that's pretty much. Pretty Yes. So, yeah. So that's kind of the scenario for this session. I think even in here, I don't know what this is. So let's see just really fast here. Get the market structure shift here. Actually, we have, oh, we did this. We did this. But we did this. Yes, we entered here. Yeah, yeah, we did a lot of pairs actually. This would be, remember when the algo told us to enter, which was here. Actually, it was on M1 around there. You see here? And put it on M15. It's a complete chaos. It's a 6.5. So yeah, sticking as this FPG here, which did, and that's pretty much it. Understood? Everyone understood? No? Everyone knows how to do a 1 to 10 now?